Well, this is interesting. This is outside the park in the parking lot. Never saw one of these before. I mean, I've seen freestyle machines, but not a truck for a freestyle machine. Hey guys, here at LegoLand, Florida for the Lego Movie Days. This is new this year. It's happening on weekends, select weekends in July and I believe in August. This is, again, new. Unfortunately, there was a media day when I was in California. Did you guys know I went to California? I might have forgotten to mention that. I did. But I'm here now, so let's check it out. Yeah, I guess it's kind of obvious. I did the intro later in the day because I kind of put it off. Sorry.
We decided to bring along some of our favorite things to celebrate. Do you want to know what those are? Okay, let's tell them, crew. It's sunshine and bubble pops and, of course, rainbows. Sunshine, bubble pops, and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is what I feel when we're together. Sunshine, bubble pops, and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is sure to come your way. When you are here today. Wow, now that you've seen our crew dancing, we want to teach you some of our dance moves. So if you'd like to dance with us, join one of our crew and then follow along. Here we go, sunshine. Now bubble pop and bubble pop. Well, you are here too. Great to meet you. You are here today. Thank you so much, everyone, for celebrating the Unikitty here at Cuckoo-Land crew. We had a blast with all of you. We'll be around for a few more minutes, so if you'd like to come up and meet Unikitty, please form a single file line right over there.
Do a mosaic.
Oh, okay.
Has one of our biggest. This one's very close is similar. But yeah, so this is what it's going to look like when it's all complete.
Ooh, spoilers.
Yep, and so as you can tell, that part is almost done.
Sweet.
We're starting to build.
It's looking awesome. Hey, check out the purple.
Then you gotta go give it to the guy. He's gonna put it on the board for you.
Nice blue too.
You gotta wait your turn.
Yellow. Sorry, don't like yellow. Not a bad green.
We have Ultra Kitty this weekend, and then we have General Mayhem, and then we have Emma and Wildstyle to finish it off. There's gonna be a new person every weekend for the next 3 weeks, and then it comes with a poster. So you just, they look like this.
Ooh, cool. And what is a pop badge?
What is a pop badge?
Yeah, I've never heard of one before.
A pop badge is, they're little like clip things that you guys can put behind fabric and in front of fabric. So it works like this. You put one piece behind your shirt or your lanyard, and then you put this part in front. And then you can collect them. So we have the first time visit, we have the birthday ones, and we have the annual pass ones.
Cool. Thank you. So what is the scavenger hunt?
Okay, so the scavenger hunt, what you do is we have 6 characters from the movie that we have hidden inside this part of the park here. And they look like Emmett. They're the cardboard pieces right here. They're the exact same size.
Sorry.
So what you do is whenever you guys find the characters, you guys are going to go under their names and write where you guys found them from. And you bring it back and the kids get prizes.
Sweet. Hello, sir. Whoa! Sweet. Construction walls. This is actually the one theme park that didn't have them for a while.
Channels. 1013 red is terminated and 1013 purple is in effect. Once again, it will be 1013.
LEGO Movie Days is the Cloud Cuckoo-Land Ice Cream Swirl. What is that? You can build your own with 3 different flavors instead of only 2. This is cotton candy, strawberry, and black cherry. Ooh, and a cone, of course. You can kind of see the other flavor, the dark black cherry. Squish. Ooh, that's a good combination. I'm not sure which flavor is so good. I guess this is all 3 flavors together. I was going to get blueberry, but too bad, no blueberry. But this came out really well. Another exclusive treat for LEGO Movie Days is the Choco dipped banana slip. That's what it looks like right there. Nice. Here in the pizza and pasta all you can eat, they have caramel banana pizza. What does that look like? And that's what it looks like. Banana Fosters on a pizza. Interesting. Unfortunately, Central Florida decided to Florida today, and rain. Oh well. I hope you liked my first look at the LEGO Movie Days. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the big shop. Speaking of the big shop, let's check out some merch. Remember how before I said that LegoLand is one of those places that have 2 Davids but no Daves? Oh my gosh, all I had to do is look up here. It's right there. I was there the whole time. No, I'm not going to buy another Dave mug. Sorry, I should have bought it here first, but